It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We're conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.